Happy Friday, everybody. Jake, Surf and Mirth. We've got a Lidl beer festival beer to get involved in. It's a 71 Brewing gear shifter. Calls itself a single hop Citra IPA, coming in at 5%. I've got high hopes for this one. We're taking it up a gear with this single hop IPA. Citra takes centre stage with big flavour notes of grapefruit, citrus, tropical, mango and lychee all shining through. When I saw this one was up, I was quite excited, to be honest, because the people I've seen reviewing 71 Brewing's beer have really sung his praises. I haven't had any of their stuff, so this is my first try of one of their beers. But from what people have said, their quality, the beer itself was like, oh my gosh, what an aroma coming off that. I thought it was my hay fever because I reviewed a beer just now, which was bang average, to be honest. Didn't smell of much, didn't taste of a heck of a lot other than hops, and it was quite bitter, a little bit tinny. It was okay, but I suppose if you're getting your weekend off up and running, it's a good way to start. And then, as this one says, shift it up a gear. It is darker than I was expecting. It's a caramel colour. It's got a lovely kind of one finger of white creamy head. It's caramelly, kind of toffee colour. Get me specs on. I can't see anything without me specs these days. Can't make out whether there's much carbonation in that, because we're kind of quite dark at the moment here. It's absolutely hammering down outside. But it's a cloudy beer. I do like the artwork on the can. Almost tricking myself into thinking that that's something very healthy, like an apple. It won't taste of apple because that'd be cider, of course. Yeah, hints of citrus, bit of mango. Fresh smelling. But like I say, it is a bit darker than I was expecting, but let's get involved. You good health, everyone. Cheers. The first mouthful, I wasn't quite sure because I've started this pretty soon after I finished the last one. It's very subtle flavour. It's got a really nice mouthfeel. It is carbonated. There is a bit of grapefruit in there, but what is it? There's a little bit of mango. I think it's like maybe a bit of like passion fruit, peach. It's subtle fruit flavour. It isn't strong. It isn't a fruit bomb. But yes, that's thoroughly enjoyable. And you're getting none of the 5% that it's saying it is. I mean, it's... because it's single hop, because it's Citra, it's certainly not complex. It's very straightforward. But yeah, grapefruity, definitely. Citrus, yes. Tropical mango, maybe a bit. Lychee, yeah. It's not... I think it's almost like with this type of beer these days, they almost feel obliged to say mango. The last one I had said mango, and it tasted nothing of mango. This one, no, I think the grapefruit and the lychee kind of thing is coming through much stronger, and I think the design on the can tells you all you need to know. That's what it tastes like. If it's mango, then the can will be that colour. But it tastes of kind of lychee, gooseberry maybe. It's thoroughly enjoyable, however. It's smooth, silky going in, and then you get a lovely kind of like... That's where the citrus comes in at the back end. It's a zesty, citrusy, fresh lime or orange peel kind of citrus, but not strong. It's certainly not overpowering. It's just enough that it complements that really smooth early mouthfeel. I'm a fan of this. I will definitely be buying that again if it comes up. I like that. The other IPAs you get are kind of sweet. This isn't sweet. You know, there's sweetness in there, but it's not sweet. It's got more of an edge to it, and I really like it. The more it's kind of like getting... the more my palate's picking it up, the more I'm enjoying it. A lot of IPAs, New England IPAs, etc., are kind of like, want to hit you with a fruit bomb. This has got plenty of fruit in it, flavour-wise, but it's subtle. It's very subtle. And it's a slow burner, if you like, by comparison to them that just kind of like go bang and hit you for six with it straight away. Yeah, I'm... the more I drink it, the more I'm getting sold on this. I think it's an excellent beer. Excellent beer. Because it's completely different from what I've drunk up until now. You know, I'm fairly new to this. And this one's come out of left of field. It's very much coming from that kind of like more sharp citrus fruit side, but it's not... it's subtle. The sharpness comes in at the back end. When you initially go in, it's smooth, it's silky, it's nice, it's refreshing, and then it gives you a little wake up at the back end. Really, really impressed by that. I'm definitely getting that again. It's different from what I've had. I've not had anything like that. as far as IPAs go. It's quality. It's a quality IPA, that. And if you get the opportunity, I highly recommend you grab yourself a can or two and chuck it in amongst your New England IPAs and your mango fruit bombs and stuff. As much as I love those, and I really do, but there's a place for this as well as something completely different. Because it's single hopped, as it says, it's far more simple. It's not complex, but it's far more subtle. Give it a go. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend, everyone, and your good health again. Cheers.